Before you head to that buffet tomorrow morning, stop. That line you're about to join? 25 minutes minimum. That coffee you're about to pay $5 for? The free version is 10 steps away. That lukewarm egg tray you're about to settle for? There's a made-to-order omelet with your name on it. No wait, no charge, no crowds. Most passengers over 60 spend their entire cruise eating the same mediocre buffet breakfast every single morning, never knowing what's available 2 decks down, 1 venue over, or delivered straight to their cabin door. These are the 10 breakfast secrets your cruise line never mentions. Let's fix that right now. Number 10. Room service breakfast is free. Let's start with the one that surprises almost everyone, and it's been available on your ship this entire time. On most major cruise lines, Royal Caribbean, Carnival, Princess, Norwegian, MSC, a continental breakfast delivered directly to your cabin is completely free. Fruit, yogurt, pastries, juice, coffee, tea, delivered to your door at whatever time you request the night before. No charge, no tip beyond what your automatic gratuities already cover. For seniors who value a slow, quiet morning, or who have mobility concerns that make navigating a crowded buffet genuinely exhausting, this is the single most underused perk on the entire ship. On Carnival and Royal Caribbean, a full hot breakfast, eggs, bacon, pancakes, can be added for a $7.95 delivery fee. For 2 people, that's $4 each for breakfast in bed with a balcony view. Your action plan: hang the breakfast card on your door handle before 3 a.m., or order through the ship's app the night before. Select your delivery window. Most lines offer 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. in 30-minute slots. Ask your cabin steward on day 1 to keep your in-cabin coffee setup stocked daily. Most do it without hesitation. Rule of thumb: if I don't need to be anywhere by 9 a.m., breakfast comes to me. Now, if you prefer sitting down for breakfast, there's a venue on every ship that's quieter, better, and completely free, and almost nobody over 60 knows it's open. Number 9. The main dining room. Breakfast is almost empty. Here's the secret that changes everything, and it's hiding in plain sight on every ship. The main dining room serves breakfast every sea day and most port days. It opens at 7:30 a.m. on most lines. And between 7:30 and 8:30 a.m., before the buffet crowd even considers moving, it is almost completely empty. Sit-down service, made-to-order eggs of any style, eggs Benedict, fresh pastries, smoked salmon, oatmeal with toppings, a proper menu with real choices, not whatever's sitting in a tray under a heat lamp. A 68-year-old with type 2 diabetes spent her first 3 cruises eating buffet breakfasts and managing blood sugar spikes all morning. On her 4th cruise, she discovered the MDR breakfast: egg white omelets with vegetables, fresh fruit, whole grain toast, every morning. Her energy levels for shore excursions improved dramatically. Your action plan: check the daily schedule app the night before, confirm MDR breakfast hours. Arrive between 7:30 and 8:15 a.m. for zero wait and full table service. The magic phrase: I have some dietary preferences. Can the kitchen prepare my eggs with no added salt and extra vegetables? Every MDR kitchen accommodates this without hesitation. Insider move. On sea days, the MDR breakfast menu expands significantly. More options, longer hours, and tableside pastry service on some lines. But here's the thing: even inside the MDR, most seniors are leaving value on the table by not knowing one specific system, and it's completely free to use. Number 8. The dietary request system nobody activates. This is the tip I wish every senior knew before they ever stepped on a ship, and it's the one both competitor videos completely ignored. Every major cruise line has a dedicated dietary request system: low-sodium meals, diabetic-friendly menus, heart-healthy options, gluten-free preparations, dairy-free alternatives. These aren't special requests that inconvenience the kitchen. They are pre-built menu systems the galley runs every single day. For passengers who ask, the problem? The cruise line doesn't advertise this at breakfast. They don't put a sign on the buffet that says, "Ask us about low-sodium options." They wait for you to ask. And most seniors never do. A 74-year-old with congestive heart failure had avoided cruise ships for 3 years because she couldn't manage her sodium intake at sea. Her cardiologist had put her on a strict 1,500 milligrams daily sodium limit. When she finally called the cruise line's special needs desk before her sailing, they set up a full low-sodium meal plan, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, delivered to her table in the main dining room every day. She cruised for 10 days without a single dietary concern. Your action plan. Call the cruise line's special needs or dietary department at least 30 days before sailing, not the general booking line. State your specific requirement. Low sodium, diabetic friendly, heart healthy, gluten-free. Confirm the arrangement in writing. Email the special needs team and keep the confirmation number. The magic phrase at the MDR breakfast table: "I have a dietary arrangement on file. Can you confirm it's showing on my account before I order?" And once you're seated with your dietary needs handled, here's how to get even more out of that menu than what's printed on it. Number 7. The MDR substitution system. This is the insider move that separates experienced cruisers from first-timers, and it's completely unknown to most passengers over 60. The main dining room breakfast menu lists specific dishes. What it doesn't tell you is that almost every component of every dish is substitutable. Don't want the hollandaise on your Eggs Benedict? Gone. Want extra spinach instead of Canadian bacon? Done. Want your pancakes made with almond milk? Ask. Want a half portion because you're not a big breakfast eater? The kitchen will do it. A 71-year-old with a dairy intolerance spent 2 cruises avoiding the MDR breakfast entirely because she assumed she couldn't eat most of the menu. When she finally asked, the server walked her through 6 dishes that could be prepared dairy-free without any modification, and 3 more that could be adjusted in under 2 minutes. Your action plan. Tell your server your dietary preference before ordering, not after. Ask, which dishes on this menu can be modified for low sodium / dairy-free / diabetic friendly? Insider move. On sea days, request the next morning's MDR breakfast menu at dinner the night before. Your server can note your modifications in advance so your meal arrives faster. Now, if you've been paying $5 every morning for a specialty coffee, what I'm about to tell you is going to sting a little. Number 6. The free specialty coffee hiding in plain sight. All right, I need to stop here for a second. If you're finding this valuable, hit that like button right now. It helps other seniors discover these tips before their next cruise. And subscribe so you never miss my insider cruise hacks. Now, back to that $5 coffee. The buffet coffee on most cruise ships is standard drip, functional and unremarkable. But on most major lines, there is a specialty coffee station serving proper espresso, cappuccinos, lattes, and Americanos during breakfast hours, completely free. On Royal Caribbean, Café Promenade serves complimentary specialty coffees during morning hours. On Princess, the International Cafe has complimentary options alongside paid drinks. Most passengers don't know which is which. On Carnival, the coffee bar near the buffet serves complimentary basic espresso drinks before 10 a.m. The paid specialty coffee shops, Starbucks on some Royal Caribbean ships, Seattle's Best on others, are separate venues. The free options are right next to them. Most passengers walk past the free option and pay $5 for the identical drink next door. Your action plan. Ask any crew member near the coffee station, which of these options are complimentary with my cruise fare? On Princess, complimentary items are marked with a small C on the menu. Easy to miss, important to know. Rule of thumb, always ask what's free before I pay for anything at a coffee station. You've got your free coffee, you've got your modified breakfast. Now here's the timing secret that eliminates every line on the ship before 8 a.m. Number 5. The omelet station timing secret. Every cruise ship buffet has an omelet station, and every omelet station has a line, except during one specific window almost no passenger knows about. The omelet station peaks between 8:30 and 10 a.m. Before 8 a.m., the station is fully staffed, fully stocked, and processing 1 or 2 orders at a time. The wait, under 2 minutes. For seniors who want a hot, fresh, customized breakfast without standing in a 15-minute line, timing is everything. A 66-year-old with a knee replacement had given up on omelet stations entirely because of the lines. When she tried the pre-8 a.m. window, she walked straight up. 0 wait. Egg whites, fresh vegetables, feta cheese exactly as she wanted. She said it was the best breakfast of the cruise. Your action plan: arrive at the buffet omelet station before 8 a.m. Not at 8:30 when the crowd hits. Have your ingredients ready to state clearly the cook is moving fast and appreciates a decisive order. Pro tip: ask for egg whites only. Every station has them, most passengers don't ask, and it's a meaningful health upgrade for seniors managing cholesterol or heart health. Now, if you have a balcony cabin, everything I've told you so far can be combined into one morning experience that costs nothing and beats every restaurant on the ship. Number 4. The balcony breakfast setup. If you have a balcony cabin, and many seniors book balconies specifically for the outdoor experience, this is the morning ritual that turns a good cruise into an unforgettable one. Order your continental room service the night before. Request it 30 minutes before you want to eat. When it arrives, take it to your balcony. Add your coffee from the in-cabin setup your steward prepared. Watch the ocean, the port arrival, or the sunrise, depending on your sailing direction. This costs nothing beyond what you've already paid. 0 standing, 0 lines, 0 crowds. And for seniors who cruise specifically for the peace and beauty of being at sea, it is the single best breakfast experience available on any ship at any price point. Your action plan: order room service the night before. Fruit plate, pastries, yogurt, juice, coffee. Ask your steward on day 1 to keep your in-cabin coffee maker stocked daily. Rule of thumb: the best view on the ship costs nothing extra. It's right outside your cabin door. Here's where it gets interesting, because the best breakfast philosophy on the ship doesn't come from any menu. It comes from the people who actually live on it. Number 3. The crew breakfast standard. I'm going to tell you something no other cruise channel will. The crew mess, where ship staff eat their meals, serves some of the freshest, most simply prepared food on the entire vessel. Why? Because crew members work physically demanding 12-hour days and need real nutrition. The food is prepared simply, seasoned properly, and served hot. Passengers can't access the crew mess. But here's what this tells you about where to find the best passenger breakfast. Look for venues where food is made fresh to order, served immediately, and not sitting under a heat lamp. That's the MDR omelet station before 8 a.m. That's room service delivered hot to your door. That's the Park Cafe on Royal Caribbean. The buffet food that's been sitting since 6:30 a.m.? That's the furthest thing from what the crew is eating. Your action plan: apply the crew standard to every breakfast choice. Was this made fresh, or has it been sitting? Choose made to order over pre-prepared every single time, especially for hot items. Rule of thumb: if I can see it being made, it's worth eating. If I can't, ask how long it's been there. Speaking of Royal Caribbean specifically, they have one breakfast venue that almost nobody over 60 has ever found, and it might be the best free breakfast on any ship sailing today. Number 2. Royal Caribbean's Park Cafe secret. On Royal Caribbean ships with a Park Cafe, Oasis Class, Quantum Class, and several others, you have access to one of the best complimentary breakfast spots at sea, and almost nobody over 60 knows it exists. Fresh-baked pastries, breakfast burritos, made-to-order omelets, smoked salmon bagels with cream cheese and capers, avocado toast, a proper oatmeal station with toppings, granola, honey, fresh berries, almonds, all free, all served in a quiet garden-themed space that feels nothing like a cruise ship buffet. The crowd level at Park Cafe during breakfast? A fraction of the Windjammer. The seating? Comfortable, uncrowded, and calm. Exactly what seniors who want a peaceful morning actually need. And here's the detail that makes this even better. The smoked salmon bagel at Park Cafe is one of the most requested items on the ship, and it's completely free. On the buffet, the same ingredients are available but assembled carelessly. At Park Cafe, it's made properly to order right in front of you. Your action plan: check your ship's deck plan before sailing. Search Park Cafe in the dining section. Go between 7:30 and 9 a.m. for the best selection and shortest wait. Insider move: if you're not on Royal Caribbean, ask guest services on day 1. Is there a smaller, quieter breakfast venue on this ship besides the main buffet? Every line has one. Most passengers never ask. Now, everything I've told you so far matters most on one specific morning, and most seniors get this morning completely wrong. Number 1, the port day breakfast strategy. I saved this for last because this single change will improve every port day for the rest of your cruising life. On port days, the ship docks between 7 and 8 a.m. Most shore excursions depart between 8:30 and 9:30 a.m., and most seniors make the same mistake. They wake up, head to the buffet, wait 20 minutes for a table, eat slowly, and then rush to meet their excursion group. Stressed, half-fed, and already tired before they've left the ship. The solution takes 60 seconds to set up the night before. Order continental room service for 6:30 a.m. Eat in your cabin or on your balcony. Be dressed and ready by 7:30. Walk to your excursion meeting point at 8:15. Calm, fed, and 45 minutes ahead of the crowd. Your action plan: the night before every port day, order room service for 6:15 to 6:30 a.m. delivery. Keep it light. Fruit, yogurt, a pastry, coffee. Enough to fuel a morning without weighing you down. Save the big sit-down MDR breakfast for sea days when you have nowhere to be. Rule of thumb: port day breakfast is fuel. Sea day breakfast is an experience. Plan accordingly. You now know every breakfast secret most seniors sail right past. The free venues, the quiet spots, the timing tricks, and the one morning strategy that saves your entire shore excursion day. But breakfast is only the beginning. The same cruise lines hiding these options are doing something far more expensive at the bar, and most seniors over 60 don't catch it until the final bill. Watch Cruise Director Warns: 13 Drink Traps Seniors Miss 2026. It's right here. See you there.